Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Worldcoin app not working. So if you're having problems with your Worldcoin or the World app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what I did myself to be able to fix this. Firstly, I just closed the app and instead I just went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app right here as you can see. So now in your settings app, you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general right here. So click on general. Now in here, scroll down a little bit and then click on storage as you can see. And now what we're going to do is to just simply wait for this page to completely load right here. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for World app. Yeah, you can just see it right here probably like right away. Otherwise, just search for World app, then click on upload app, and once again click on upload app. And here we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times just so you know. And now just simply wait for your Worldcoin app now to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself, and when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.